Okay, so I have done the skincare. So I'm just gonna tell you what steps I did. So first of all, face wash, very important. Next is moisturizer. I used the Pond's Light Moisturizer, the gel based. Then I used two primers. So the first one was Colorbar Transparent Silicone Primer, and then the second one was K-Beauty Illuminating Drops. Skincare is really important, be it summer, rainy, winter, anything. Skincare is like everything. So I'm just gonna pin my hair a little because these bangs are pretty annoying when you're doing your makeup. So now next I'm gonna bring you guys up close. Now that we're all set, let's start. And oh my god, you guys, can you see the tanning I'm having? And this is only the beginning of summer. I am depressed. I'm depressed. It's like everything remotely goes wrong and I'm depressed. First thing that you should remember doing your summer glam is it should not look cakey. Like, it should not. The blending needs to be perfect. The you know, you need to like put on some setting spray before leaving, and you just have to set and bake everything like really properly. But that does not mean having a lot of layers on your skin. Summer is all about fresh and light vibes, you know. So we have to keep it extremely fresh, minimal, yet classy and elegant. The first trick is, oh my god, this will change your life truly. So now after doing just the skincare, no any liquid or cream products, we are gonna grab a loose powder. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in 15 light. This is a game changer trick. You really need to listen carefully. And now I'm just gonna grab a brush. This is a very what do we say, bounded, and you know, it's not like loose. You don't want a loose brush for this one. So what you have to do is just take a little bit of the setting powder, not a lot because then it will look patchy, crazy and just black. So just a little bit, whatever is on the cap. Set your face with it. Very less, very light. Set it all over your face and neck. And you guys, I literally got a pimple today. Like, the moment I, you know, decide I am gonna shoot today and pimple says hi, I am gonna jump into the concealer directly, no foundation whatsoever, because to be honest, I really don't like foundation. Second of all, touch wood, but I don't like really need it. If it's a full glam, I will obviously, you know, apply it, but not for a summer makeup. So the concealer I'm going to be using is my very trustworthy Elegant Pro Conceal. This is in creamy beige. For the starters, I'm going to be going in extremely light, and this concealer is my world. This is such a savior if you have bad like dark circles or dark spots or like pimple marks. Not pimples, because the bump will show, okay? You can't do anything about a bump. Now taking a beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it all very nicely and evenly. Also, I didn't really explain the reason why I used loose powder. It is because the loose powder acts as a barrier between the makeup and your skin. So when you sweat from your skin, the loose powder will like absorb a bunch of amount, just so that your makeup doesn't get affected and it doesn't, you know, look oily, patchy and just like summer. So that is why we used loose powder. It really helps control the sweat and it helps protect your makeup from the sweat that your skin creates, or like whatever. I hope I explained it well though. And now whatever is left on the beauty blender, I'm gonna just get my neck with it. I'm not adding any more extra product. I am going to be using a liquid blush, and by that I mean a lipstick. So in summers, to give that young and fresh look, blush is everything, and the placement. So this For a liquid or like a cream blush, I'm using the Sugar Bullet lipstick. This is in 04 Nude Vibes. Favorite. And right here, like where your cheekbone is, you're gonna draw a line right here. And now what you got to do is you got to blend it in like an upward direction. Not just, please don't bring it down. It will look, the face will look so old and droopy, like it's not a good look. So you're gonna just blend it upwards and really close to the under eye. So now you can actually see the difference. This face just looks so puffier and, you know, like not snatched as this one. This one looks really young and just model like. Now to set everything in place, I'm going to be using the loose powder again. I'm not going to be using any compact. In summers I usually use loose powders because they last a longer time. Using a loose powder when you wear lenses is such a task, I'm telling you. Like, it is such a stressful situation. I really don't set it like crazy because I know loose powder is meant to set something for a very long period of time, and if you go ham on the loose powder, then your makeup is gonna look patchy and weird. So now contouring and bronzing is like a very optional step because summer is all about, you know, pinky fresh tones. Or maybe if you want to look tanned and, you know, contoured, you can use a contour. I'm gonna use a contour, but just a little bit. I'm gonna be using the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder. This is in deep. Starting with my beautiful, amazing double chin. I just do like a triangle and then just blend it. For the cheek, I start from the starting of my ear and then just blend it down. For nose, I start from the eyebrow, making a straight line, and now just blending it. For eyebrow, I use shadows. I don't use any pencils. So for that, I'm gonna be using the Europe Girl Paris eyebrow palette, and it has like 3 different shades right here. So I usually go for this one because black is just a little too much, and then the other one is just a little too light, so I stick to the between. First, combing the eyebrows upwards just so that I know where I need to like fill in, and I just fill very naturally. I don't restructure, reshape, and, you know, the crazy brow girl. No hate to them, I am all for it, but it just doesn't work for me. And this is one eyebrow done. Like, you can't even tell that I did anything crazy because I didn't. And for the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using the Naughty Nudes by Huda Beauty. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix Filthy right here and Rough. I'm going to mix these two and then just put it all over my eye. I know it's like brown pink, but it looks amazing. Okay, starting with the outer corner, building it towards the inner side. Now I'm only going to take the brown one, which is Rough, for the inner lash line because I really like a little bit of like a deep inner, did I say just inner? Sorry, lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of glitter because, you know, when the sun shines on your like eyes, it just looks so beautiful, and oh my god, it just looks so delicate, beautiful, elegant, no words. I'm gonna take this one. This is called Please Me, with my finger. You know, because of these names I can't really get it. But just a little bit in the middle. Now I'm gonna go in with a liner because that is just something I cannot resist. I think I love the eyeliner look on myself, even when I'm scared to put eyeliner. I'm gonna be using this Recode Pen Liner. I'm gonna start from the outer part, making a very short wing. That is the eyeliner, and now I'm just gonna do like a little siren eye because I have Asian eyes and it looks good on me. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes. See, the eyelash color makes such a difference. Like this is normal and then this is curled. So because we just sweat a lot during summers, for mascara I prefer a waterproof mascara. But right now I have nowhere to go and I'm literally at home, so I'm just gonna use a normal mascara. But if you're going out, you really need a waterproof mascara. So now I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. This is like the perfect drugstore mascara you can have. Before we move on to lips, I'm gonna add a little bit of a blush more because I just feel like blush really fades away with time, so I really wanna like add some more. And for that I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me blush powder. This is in 40 Proud. Again, really lifted and close to the under eye. Okay, so I did my lips already because I had to film a product review, and the amazing product was the Dior Lip Maximiser. This is the love of my life, literally. I applied it on a lip liner, a Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner. This is in Feisty Brunette. It's a really nice nude pink plus brown shade, but the lip maximizer, it is not uncomfortable. I really expected it to tingle and burn a little bit because it's a lip maximizer, like the Too Faced lip injection. It does not burn. It is a very cool minty sensation on the lips, which I honestly love because it just makes me feel so like fresh and, you know, cool. Especially in the summers, it's gonna be really like a good experience. So now moving on to the last step, which is highlighter. I'm gonna be using the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish. It looks like this. So gorgeous. Applying it on the high points of my face. So yeah, this is the summer fresh glam. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on what you'd wish to see from me next, and hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really happy if you come along with the YouTube journey, and I'll see you in the next video. So till then, take care, bye.